Have you also heard that TikTok is mostly for young people? So here I am, 61 years young, and this is my first TikTok video and many more to come. Hi everyone, my name is Vera, and I've decided to create videos on this platform because I would love to reach and help as many people as possible. I would like to share my journey learning about this amazing blueprint that I discovered when I was looking for a job, online job. It's a program where I'm learning how to become financially free. I work from home or I can work from anywhere I want to, where I'm learning about automated digital marketing, and I make 100% profit. So if you would like to know more about this opportunity, please follow, like, and comment yes down below.